Okay. So, this is where I told you nga ang cancellation method is quite useful. Okay. So, what if hindi na lang yung isa ka unit ang aton convert? So, for example, we have your kilometers per hour. I-convert na siya into meters per second. So, how does this work? Okay. Equation naton same Japan ang iyang format. So, 60 kilometers per hour, butangin na lang din. Okay? Now, let's cancel out some units. First, we want to cancel out kilometers. So, for sure, dili na siya sa dalo makadto. Okay. We want to convert from kilometers to meters. So, meters dili sa babaw. Now, which one is larger, kilometers or meters? So, you know it's kilometers, ang 1 dira na sa dalom. And then, ang meters naton, how many meters are there in a kilometer? Okay, you know that it is 10 raised to 3. Just check on your modules. Sa uluhan yung table. Okay, so, canceled out natin kilometers. We already have meters. You're good. But what do we do about hour? Okay, so, hour, since hour is sa dalom, para ka pang cancel out ka, dapat ara na siya sa babaw. Right? Okay. And, karon na tamang cancel seconds. Butang tas dalom kay siya ang kilanganan nato pabilin. So, goes here. You know that hours or hour is larger than seconds, so butang ka dan 1 sa babaw. Now, the question is, how many seconds are there in an hour? So, how many seconds are there in an hour? Nga nagbutang na ko diya ng question mark na. Okay. How many seconds are there in an hour? Unless you already know, which is nice, very good. Dapat magi ka danay dire. So, you know that 1 minute is equal to 60 seconds. So you can say that, let's see here. It is, hindi. So, 1 second, hindi. Confused ako. 1 hour. Okay. So, let's, So, 1 hour has 60 minutes, right? And then, you know that, cancel tane, sa isa ka minute, you have 60 seconds. So, cancel man. So, to go from hour to seconds, since I don't know how many seconds there are in an hour, medyo nag-agi ko liwat sa isa ka conversion. So, to cancel out hour, man dyan po ng ating equation, no? To cancel out, hour goes down here, minute goes up there. I know that hour is larger than minutes, kag kabalo ko there are 60 minutes in an hour, so manitsura ya. And then for a minute to a second, the same principle. Now, we have 1 times 60 times 60, which should be equal to 3,600. Pero, naanad na magkalkyo, so I'm checking it again. 60 times 60 is indeed 3,600. So, there are 3,600 seconds in an hour. So, butang to di siya. Then, let's cancel out. Oh no, na-cancel out tagali. So, what's left here is meters and seconds. And to solve this, 60 times 10 raised to the 3 divided by 3,600. So, actually, ilisan ko rin siya nga parta. Please take note of that. Okay, so to simplify this equation, that is 60 times 10 raised to 3 over 3,600, which is equal to 60 times 10 raised to 3 divided by 3,600. Okay, I got 16.67 meters per second. Now, you will start to encounter decimal numbers sa aton nga class. I only like decimals up to 2 decimal points. So this is good enough for me. Just round off your answers to 2 decimal points, guys. Okay? Let's try another one. What if 35 kilograms per liter, 2 grams per milliliter? Okay. Equation, 35 kilograms si liter butang sa dalom. Okay, let's start with kilogram first. So, we want to cancel that out. Kilogram goes down here. Cancel ko na nga daan para linaw. We want to convert to grams, so grams babaw. Kilogram is larger, so 1 na siya. How many grams are there in a kilogram? So, based sa atong table, that's 10 raised to 3. Okay. Next, we want to remove liters. So, since ara sa dalong si liters, putang ta siya sa babaw. And ang gusto natin i-convert to is milliliters. Let's cancel liters. We know that liters is larger, so siya na ang 1. How many milliliters are there in a liter? So you know that it's 10 raised to 3. So as you can see, the remaining natin ng mga units are grams and milliliter, which is exactly what we need. Oops, di ko butang sa loob. Okay. So what we have now is 35 times 10 raised to 3 divided by 10 raised to 3. Kung makita nyo, what? That's kind of weird. Cancelled out ang aton nga 10 raised to 3 kag 10 raised to 3. So we are now left with 35 grams per milliliter again. Okay. So, amo lang na ang inote ta doon na yun. Ang inote lang natin is I only want two decimal places unless stated otherwise. Amo na siya, two decimal places, and when you have your final answer, make sure nga ang inyong mga units complete and draw a box around it kay para good chikan at hag chikan. So, yep.